Unlock relief. 5 surprising vitamins for acid reflux. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very common problem that many of us face, acid reflux. If you suffer from acid reflux, you know how uncomfortable and painful it can be. But what if I told you that there's a simple and natural solution to this problem? That's right, vitamins. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 surprising vitamins that can help alleviate your acid reflux symptoms. First on the list is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for the normal functioning of the digestive system, and a deficiency in B12 can lead to acid reflux. If you're experiencing acid reflux, consider incorporating vitamin B12 into your diet through foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Next, we have vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for maintaining healthy bones. But did you know that it can also help with acid reflux? Vitamin D helps to neutralize the acid in your stomach, making it a great option for those who suffer from acid reflux. You can get your daily dose of vitamin D from the sun or from food sources such as fish, eggs, and mushrooms. Third, we have vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can in turn reduce acid reflux symptoms. Vitamin E can be found in some foods such as seeds, nuts, and leafy greens. Fourth, we have vitamin C. Vitamin C is a natural acid neutralizer and can help to reduce the production of stomach acid, which is a major cause of acid reflux. You can get your daily dose of vitamin C from citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens. And finally, we have vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is known for its ability to regulate the production of stomach acid, making it an excellent vitamin for those who suffer from acid reflux. Vitamin B6 can be found in foods such as chicken, fish, potatoes, and bananas. So there you have it. 5 surprising vitamins that can help alleviate your acid reflux symptoms. Incorporating these vitamins into your diet can be a simple and natural solution to this uncomfortable problem. I hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.